of the device. Okay, go menu, mint, control, then enter the password 552 1 2 3 4 5, then click done, then go for menu, control, then this is the loop 1, you can check in loop 1 how many isolation, scroll down, loop 1, so they have 3 device isolation in loop 1. Okay, skip, you go back to loop 2, more info, check, there 3, I think 3 also, 3 device, then skip, go back to loop 4, more info, check, so they have more device isolated in loop 4. Okay, so we want to arm these devices or enable. This condition is disabled in the Siemens panel. They call disarm. To enable, the function of this panel is arm dimension. Okay, so skip, and go loop 1 more. So in this panel you can do 1 by 1 or do by loop down. So I try 1, then device 90, control, choose arm, then execute. Now the device is ARM device. Then cancel again to the 90 device is already ARM or enable condition, already normal. So I skip. I will do now by loop. So very fast doing. This is the function that's very fast doing. So control, ARM, execute, cancel. Now loop 1 is already ARM condition. All device is already ARM. So I go loop 2, control, ARM, execute, then cancel. Then I will go loop 4, control, ARM, and execute, cancel. Now no more disable or disarm device. Same procedure for doing disable or disarm the device, like this. Control, you command disarm. For example, I disarm, execute. So cancel, skip the whole loop 4. This one for loop 4. I disable all devices. I command now I will arm again or enable. So control, arm, execute, cancel. So no more isolation or any disarm device or loop. So you can go back, cancel, function key, alert, then trouble, acknowledge. The troubles now is 301. So you need to system reset to go back. This is the ARM device before trouble. So you need to reset the system. So now the device, only the trouble is 7. So you need to acknowledge the supervisory, acknowledge also the trouble. So this is the remaining supervisory 6 and trouble 7. Okay guys, that's all for the operation for disarm and arm of Siemens fire alarm system. Thank you for watching.